So checking for voltage on your flow meter. In this case, I have an Orion 2. The newer Orion 3 flow meter would be the same scenario. I'll show that off in just a bit here. If I look at my Orion 2, I have a red light that's on the side. Normally it's pretty dim. Put both your hands over that bulb here and see if that red light is on. So in this case, I'm just gonna pretend that it is not on. So what I'm gonna do, I probably have less than 12 volt. You have to have 12 volt going to the flow meter. If you have 11.8, less than that, the flow meter won't power on. That's probably why it's not reading flow. So I will unplug my adapter cable here. I have this red tip on here. Sometimes these holes are too small for the prongs on your voltmeter. So you can take this off on this side. Don't pull too hard on them. But you can kind of pull on these tabs and lift up. And then you can pull that red tip off, and then you can easily get to the pins. So I'm going to take my voltmeter. I'm going to set it to 12 volt DC. And on this flow meter cable, I can pull this back here. We have two different versions of the adapter cable. On this one, I have a green wire. The green wire on this one will be my positive. This is the divide by 8 cable with the resistor in it. And then this black one will be my negative. So I'm going to put my check for power here. And currently on my voltmeter, I have 11.8 volt. So that's why my voltmeter is now turning on, because I don't have 12 volt going to it. So if we were to check this on the Orion 3 flow meter, so looking at this Orion 3 flow meter, if I'm suspicious if I'm getting power or not, well, first I can look at the green light, and since I have a solid green light, I know I am getting 12 volt to it. But let's pretend this green light was not on. I will take my plug here. My black is my ground. My white will be my 12 volt. I'm going to put my flow meter or my voltmeter to it. And then on my voltmeter, right now, because I have power going to it, I have 11.97. That is enough voltage to turn on this flow meter. It's practically 12 volt. When I plug the flow meter in, once it boots up, let's say if that light was not on and I check for voltage there and I have 0 volt, or if I have less than 12 volt there, then, well, first of all, the light shouldn't be on. But even if it is on and I have less voltage there, it might not work properly. So if the light is off, you don't have enough voltage, or you have no voltage, when you test for voltage on that line and you have less than 12 volt, that's your problem. You either have a problem with a harness going up to that flow meter, or it's the power source itself, which the flow meter and all of these rate controllers get power from the rate controller.